friends, welcome back to my channel for easy learning of dentistry through Dent Learning. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from orthodontics, that is theories of growth. As one of you asked me to do video on this topic, we'll be doing videos in series on this complete topic in my coming videos. Let's begin with today's topic. The following theories were put forward to explain concepts of growth. They are remodeling theory of craniofacial growth, genetic theory, sutural theory, cartilaginous theory, functional matrix theory concept, Van Limburg's theory. We will be discussing all these theories in detail in my coming videos. Today we are going to specially focus on remodeling theory of craniofacial growth. I'll be explaining remodeling theory of craniofacial growth today. This theory was put forward by Brash after exclusive researches on bone in the year 1930. He put forward the first general theory of craniofacial growth called as remodeling theory. Okay, here is an example of cranial vault. Here it is showing bone is deposited on the outer surface of the cranial vault, and simultaneously there is a resorption of bone on the inner surface of the cranial vault. According to this theory, sutures and cartilages have no role to play in the growth, and it also states that this remodeling will help in growth of the craniofacial vault, like deposition on the outer surface and resorption on the inner surface will lead to the growth of the cranial vault. So, this theory therefore suggests that all the craniofacial skeletal growth occurs exclusively by bone remodeling at its surface. You have to just remember the diagram which was in my previous slide. If you remember that diagram, you will recollect all the points. You can write it easily in your exam. So, this theory also suggests that sutures and cartilages of craniofacial skeleton have little or no role to play in the growth of craniofacial skeleton. That's it. Hope you understood today's topic. We will be discussing all the theories in detail, so stay tuned. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and smash the subscribe button and do not forget to like my videos. Stay home, be safe, keep learning with Dent Learning. Bye bye.